Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to force high refresh rate on all Android apps, and this will be done without routing, and I'll show you how to check your refresh rate also. Now this is quite easy to do on your Android phone. What you want to do is open settings on your device, and once settings is opened, first thing you want to do here is to enable developer option, and this is because on most Android phones you do not see the option to view your refresh rate and more. You can easily know if you can switch between refresh rate in this section when you search for refresh rate. If you find the refresh rate here, you'll be able to do so. Now, if you do not and you still want to increase the refresh rate, you want to scroll down till you find about phone. Under about phone, you want to scroll till you find build number. Now, you can also get to build number when you search in the search section for build number. This will bring you here. Now, on the build number, you want to tap consecutively 4 times until you see the option to enable developer option. Now unlock your device and developer option will be enabled on your device. Now you can go back, and when you come under system now, when you scroll to the bottom, you'll see developer option. You can also now search in the search settings section for developer option. Once developer option is enabled, here you can then search for refresh rate. Now you see show refresh rate. I'm going to show refresh rate so you can see currently the refresh rate on the device. Tap on this to enable it, and you see at the top left it is currently showing the refresh rate. Now when you go back and search for refresh rate again, you should now see force peak refresh rate. Now tap on this and this will take you there. When you turn this on, this will force the refresh rate to be the highest on your device all through on all applications. You can currently see the refresh rate, which was 60, is currently 120. You can always come back here to undo these settings. Now if you choose to disable, you can disable on both of them and disable developer option. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.